Mount Vernon in southwest Indiana naturally attracts economic development because of its enviable location. The city of 7,000 lies on a bend in the Ohio River near a great rail system and just 15 miles from the interstate. But crumbling infrastructure was undermining the city's appeal. At one time, the municipal water utility couldn't supply a reliable source of drinking water.
4 out of the previous 5 Thanksgivings, we had had a boil order for Thanksgiving, and several Christmases we'd had boil orders.
Anything else?
It was very hectic. We'd have to make a run to the grocery store to buy the bottled waters. It was bad.
Back in 2007, the utility's water woes put a halt to new home construction and deterred business development.
We have people constantly in touch with the mayor, with economic development people, and for many of the companies, the first question is, do you have water?
The utility was hemorrhaging money. None of it worked correctly. It all needed to be replaced.
We were losing a lot of water through leaks. Our meters weren't working properly.
There was no question something had to be done to correct the problems.
If you opened a fire hydrant at the bottom of the hill, not only did you not have any water at the top of the hill, but that it would draw a vacuum and it would actually suck your hand onto the fire hydrant.
If we're at a far end of town and we don't have the water supply, we're not going to be able to help our residents.
The greatest obstacle in getting it done was money. We were bankrupt.
With no budget for repairs and upgrades, city leaders looked to experts in local government performance contracting.
Johnson Controls came in and we could just go in, replace all the water meters in town, and that increased revenue would pay for the new meters. That was unheard of in this area. In fact, nobody believed it.
Replacing 3,300 water meters was just the first of 3 phases of performance contracting. The improvements totaled $30 million, all accomplished without burdening the residents of Mount Vernon.
A lot of them were like, is the bill going to go up? I'm like, no, we've actually found the money to pay for this, and we'll be able to do this without a substantial rate increase. We would not have been able to do this without performance contracting. Johnson Controls was able to come in and figure out how to get this done and how to pay for it.
Still to come, why performance contracting makes financial sense for local governments, and where the city of Mount Vernon invested $30 million. Contact us to learn how to make your local community more energy efficient.